we're back. We're going to do the ribbon pour this time. Loading the cups up. Again, can't do it wrong.
Yep, you do you, boo. I mean, I like a little bit of lacy color here and there drizzled. I like little puddles that are separated by drizzles. You can do whatever you want.
I usually rotate mine in layers or sections, but it all depends on what you want. And again, pick your colors and how you want them to combine. Keep in mind that like red and blue next to each other are going to make a purple, etc. How they combine to make secondaries.
Okay, so there's two different ways we're showing you again. I'm using a small puddle and I'm going to go back and forth in one spot. And Bill's going to go in a nice diagonal pattern. There's no real wrong way to do this, and lots of crossing over of ribbons is cool.
Yep. Get ready to stretch it. Tilting. This is sped up quite a bit here, so we take it pretty slow. You just want to get it to the edges and roll it off, but not lose all your paint. Again, you see how much drip we have in our box there.
Not too much. And if your painting partner needs help, well, heck yeah, get in there and help your partner. It's awesome.
And sometimes if you're running short, you just need to put some paint in front of it that you're going to go ahead and spill off anyway. It's okay to do that.
All right, everybody, that was the ribbon pour. See how easy and fun this is? Oh my goodness, I can't wait to see what you guys make. I'm sure it's amazing. So come back for the next one because we're doing another great technique. It's the tree ring pour. You won't want to miss it. Too much fun. See you soon.
Everyone's an artist.
We're just getting started.